What's up, YouTube? It's coming back at you guys with another video. Today we're just going to do a quick little mini unboxing of a mini Type R. So before we get started, I just want to thank everybody. Hey, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking the videos as well. So if you like this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Okay guys, so this package was ordered on eBay. I will put a link in the description for this as well if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and get this open. Really good packaging. Not too much of a fan of the packing peanuts, but hey, I get it. So we have the Mini GT Honda Civic Type R. This one is the Rally Red, just like my Type R. So I'll show you guys. It's the 1/64 scale model, so pretty cool. I do have another model that a friend has ordered for me. So a little bit bigger of a scale. I think that one is the 143 scale model. So this is the 164. So we'll go ahead and take this out the package and show you guys a quick overview. Hey guys, so we have it out of this packaging now. So pretty cool, like I said, pretty cool little mini Civic Type R model. Pretty cool, guys. So if you're interested, I think I paid around $10 for this on eBay, like I said. So I will put a link in the description for sure. Just a quick little addition to the collection and quick little unboxing and overview. So if you guys are interested, like I said, link in the description. Other than that, that will be it for this video. Stay tuned, guys, for additional content for sure. And if you like what you guys are seeing, hit that like button and subscribe for future content. That being said, guys, end of this video, I'm out.